guys, I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I use the Palmer's olive oil formula smoothing shampoo, which was really nice. Then I'm going to follow up with the olive oil formula deep conditioning pack. I'm going to apply this all over my hair and really focus on the mid shaft to the ends of my hair, which are the most important parts where you want to make sure that your hair is properly moisturized. And I'm going to just apply that all over, and then I'm going to sit for about 2 to 5 minutes, which is the suggested time with this deep conditioning pack. I'm going to give myself a little scalp massage as well. Like I said, then I'm going to sit for the time of 2 to 5 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse it out. After rinsing it out, my hair was really soft and juicy, and I was able to run my fingers through it without any additional product, which is amazing to me. Like, I would definitely use that pack again. Now for styling, I'm going to use the Mizani 25 Miracle Milk. It has 25 different benefits. One of the benefits that I like is that it is a great leave-in conditioner and detangler, so I'm able to like really separate my hair and detangle easily without a fight. I am going to be using Perm Rods today, so I'm going to be using some of those beige colored ones as well as the orange ones, which are a step above. For my actual styler, I am going to be using the new Palmer's Natural Hold Flaxseed Gel. This gel has amazing hold, which I was pleasantly surprised, and I like a product, especially a gel that has a really good hold for sets, because I find that it allows your style to last a few days longer than a product with little to no hold. So I'm just going to mist this section with a little bit of Miracle Milk. I'm going to make sure it's thoroughly detangled. Then I'm going to apply about a quarter size amount, and I'm saying a quarter size amount because I really want to make sure that the hair is going to be smooth and really hold as I wrap it around the rod. So I'm going to detangle that and really focus on the ends, of course, to make sure that I do have enough gel. Then to wrap my hair around the rod, I'm going to place the rod at the base of my hair, and then I'm going to rotate and wrap the remainder of the hair in a spiraling motion until I get to the end. Then I will secure it I'll secure the rod in place. And you'll see I'm going to do it a couple more times just so you have an idea. So I'm going to place the rod at the root. Then I'm going to spiral the hair around the rod and rotate my wrist as I'm doing it to create these spiral curls. So I finished wrapping my hair, well, wrapping, rolling, however you want to describe it, and I'm going to dry overnight. Now it is the next morning, and to begin taking my style down, I'm going to use the Ouidad Mongongo OIl, and I'm just going to spray that all over. Then I'm going to begin removing the rods, and I'm just going to twist the hair in the opposite direction to create as less frizz as possible and to get the hair separated from the rod. So once I've removed all of the rods, I am going to begin the separation process. And I did notice that some curls were a little damp closer to the root, but it wasn't like extremely wet that I wouldn't be able to go through with the style. They were just like lightly damp. So like if I would have waited maybe another hour or so, I would have been okay. But I'm going to remove all of those rods, and then I'm going to begin the separation process. So I'm going to make sure that I have enough oil on my hands, and I'm going to begin pulling those individual curls apart and just separate them into 2, 3, and 4 sections. And some of those I am going to twist the hair in the direction that it was rolled to really help manage and save the curl. So I'm going to give myself a bit of a scalp massage just to help remove those parts that were in place. Now I am going to take my pick and begin fluffing my hair and until I get some volume and height. This is one way that you can wear your perm rod set. You can just remove the rods, separate them, and then fluff as much as possible until you achieve your desired look. However, I am going to show you 2 additional styles. The first one, I'm going to take 4 really big bobby pins and I'm just going to pin the front area as if I'm creating a mohawk, and just really hold those that section into place with those pins to create like a kind of half up, half down do. And then I am going to just smooth that side up, like I said, and pin it into place as if I'm creating a mohawk in the front and letting my hair free in the back. So I'm just going to fluff that out a little bit more until I of course achieve the desired look and everything is sitting in place how I would want it to look. There are some sections that I am going to find and I'm going to separate them a little bit more, but this is definitely one way that you can style your perm rod set. And then the second way would be to actually take, you can either use pins or like I used a kind of like I don't even know what to call it, but a hair tie, and just gathered the back section as if I was doing a puff and put it in the hair tie to create an all over updo. Like, I can't get over the hold that this product has. It legit has so much hold, and I wasn't worried about losing any definition or getting frizz while styling my hair, which is always a plus. But this updo is cute as well. It's a great way to get the hair off of your neck in summer. That's pretty much it for these videos. Well, this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.